Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Recipe Making with Janine's Gluten-Free Kitchen. Obviously we're not just gluten-free, we're gluten-free, dairy-free, refined sugar-free, alcohol-free, and probably a bunch of other stuff that I haven't quite listed, and often paleo as well. So I wanted to say firstly, thank you to everybody who has supported us with our first video, our 4-seed cracker recipe. That's been shared and made a number of times, and it's pretty cool. And so we're just following it up and giving you more of what you asked for. So what we also would suggest you do if you want to keep getting these awesome recipes is subscribe down the bottom. You'll see a subscribe button, and as well we recommend that you hit that bell, and that way you'll get notifications whenever we send out a new recipe. Today we're going to be making an artichoke dip to go with those awesome crackers. It's actually an artichoke, rocket and dill dip. Super scrummy, super easy. I know a bunch of you have actually requested this recipe, so this is for you guys. You can watch me make it and have a go at it yourself. So today we've got a nice big tin of artichoke hearts. Now you can use, it's not a tin, it's a jar. But you can use tinned artichoke hearts. You can get them marinated from the deli. You can get them just enough. But I get mine from Costco because of the size, and they're really well priced, and they're actually really tasty. So I'm going to be using the whole jar, which is 940 grams, less the liquid. I'm also going to be using avocado oil as my oil base, but you can use any veggie oil at all, whatever you like. 100 grams of rocket and a handful of dill. Okay, so first things first, we want to drain the artichoke hearts and get all of the liquid off it, because we don't want any of that briny flavour. So here we go. There's always a little bit of oil at the top, but there's a lot of brine underneath and vinegar, and I prefer not to have that vinegary taste. So got that nicely drained. The other reason why I really like these artichokes is they have some beautiful herb flavours through it, and so it's not just a plain artichoke. You're actually going to get a lot of flavour from the marinade that they've been in. If you can't get these marinated artichokes, but you want to still get that depth of flavour, that's cool. You just get the plain ones, and I would recommend you put in about a tablespoon of mixed herbs into your mix. Or fresh herbs, it doesn't really matter. So now we're going to whiz it in the blender. Great. And we're going to discard the liquid. I don't know if you have some other use for it, I don't. And then we're going to put in a little bit of the avocado oil. I always do it, guessing. I'm going to say it's probably about 1/4 cup. And that'll just help it whiz, because we've taken all the liquid out and we want it to have something to be able to cut properly. On she goes. Okay, it's getting nice and creamy. I'm just going to stop it there and just scrape it down to get some of that artichoke from the sides. Awesome. And you might feel that you need more oil at this point, depending on the texture. It should be thick, but creamy. I'm going to stop it there and add the rest of our herbs. Okay, 100 grams of rocket. Now you can also add spinach if you don't want rocket. I know some people find that kind of mustardy taste of rocket to be a little bit too much for them. You can use baby spinach. A little bit full. It always is a little full, but it'll whiz down. and dill, fresh dill, finely chopped. And again, if you want a different flavour, you might like to try basil, or you might like to try coriander. Just make sure you wash your coriander well. And on again. Another scrape down. And that is it. See what I mean by super easy? It doesn't get much easier than this, seriously. All right, one dip prepared. You will wow your guests with this dip, let me tell you, because it tastes sensational. Got a plate here. Now you can make this days ahead if you want, it lasts for ages. Yum. All right, I'll get the rest later. Okay, that's it. And here we have some crackers we prepared earlier to have a little taste. The dill is so good in the dip. It gives it a perfect blend. And the oil and the artichokes are zingy but yummy, and it's such a good dip. It's really yum. So there you have it, my artichoke dip with rocket and dill. Super yummy, super easy. Have a try. Let me know what you think of the recipe in the comment section down the bottom. We'd love to hear your feedback. If you have any recipes that you'd like me to tackle for you, or something you've been wanting to make and you're not quite sure, or a process in the kitchen that you need help with, again, let me know in the comments. I'm very open to giving you whatever it is that you would like to see. And just a reminder, hit that subscribe button and I'll keep on making these videos for you. All right guys, thanks, see ya.